It was a beautiful day in Siberia on June 30th, 1908, until a massive explosion rocked the region. Over 2,000 square kilometers of land were flattened, trees destroyed, and the landscape left in ruins. Some say the explosion was as powerful as the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. But what caused this destruction in the middle of nowhere? It couldn't have been an atomic bomb. The Soviets wouldn't have access to that technology until 1949. So what did cause this massive blast? 19 years later, the Soviets sent an expedition to investigate, but they were stumped. There was no impact crater. The explosion didn't happen on the ground. It occurred in the air. So what could it have been? The most widely accepted explanation is that a massive meteorite or comet fragment exploded in the atmosphere about 5 to 10 kilometers above the ground. The force of the blast was equivalent to a 15-megaton hydrogen bomb, flattening over 80 million trees and destroying 820 square miles of forest. The object responsible was likely 50 to 100 meters in diameter, traveling so fast that it disintegrated before hitting Earth. But the theories don't stop there. Some people believed Nikola Tesla's wireless energy experiments could have caused the explosion, while others speculated it was an alien spacecraft. Yet, there's no credible evidence to support these ideas. In the end, the Tunguska event remains a mystery. The most likely cause is that a large chunk of space rock exploded in the atmosphere, creating a catastrophic airburst. But what about you? What do you think could have caused this event?